Hi everybody, Justin Caldwell here from Caldwell Equipment on Main Street in DeSoto. I want to talk to you a minute about Ferris mowers. We have extra discounts on all of our Ferris mowers right now through the end of the month of April. And we have a really awesome compact model called the 300S with a 48-inch deck that I want to show you because this model is compact but super comfortable because of the suspension and at a really great price right now. So let me show you this model. So here it is, the 300S model with a 48-inch deck. It has the 25 horsepower Briggs & Stratton PXI twin-cylinder engine. You'll notice the thing that Ferris is famous for, it has rear suspension in addition to front suspension. And so you get an incredible ride out of this mower. Heavy fabricated deck, heavy fabricated frame, and it's got the suspension. It's tough to beat the features on this mower. Does a really good cut quality, and it's got an extra $450 off right now. So you can do 0% for 48-month financing with this price on this tier. With this discount level, you can pay with a credit or debit card. And then you can also do a cashier's check or a 0% for 6-month plan, and we can honor this cash discount. But you take the $450 off of any tier that you choose. So you subtract $49.99 minus $450. That's your cash price right now. So definitely the right time to buy a Ferris mower. And if you want to check us out on our website, it's caldwellequipment.com. Also, you can call or text us at 636-586-9607. Look us up at caldwelladvantage.com because we have a service plan that is by far the cheapest way you can get your mower serviced. And you can also keep 7 years of coverage on your mower just by doing the service work here. Caldwell Advantage also includes transportation for local people. So our customers that are in the program really love it. And we would love to earn your business. Please come and see us at 1914 North Main Street.